Welcome back to Weekend Dev Challenge 29. So this is the second video in the Weekend Dev Challenge 29. So let's see what the problem statement is. So basically, the chef runs an online music streaming, like movie streaming platform, my bad, where users can rate after watching the movie and all. And then what basically our task is to calculate the average rating for each movie that is present, round the average rating to two decimal places, sort the movies by highest rated would be first, and then similarly, if the movie has multiple like same average rating if multiple movies has, then we have to arrange it in such a way that the alphabetical order comes first. The movie with the initial alphabetical order in the ascending order comes first. Let's see the code. First is the query. First is select. Now we want title followed by the average rating. So average rating, we are rounding it off to two decimal places, and we're mentioning it as a new variable called average rating. From the movies table, we have to join movies with the ratings, because movies and ratings are two separate table. If you can see here, join ratings with table on the basis of the primary key, that is movie.movie id and rating.movie id. We have two same IDs here. We have to join that. Then we have to group by movie ID and movie title. So now this is grouping. Now we have to order it by, first is the average rating in the descending order. If it is same, then we have to follow the title ascending order, the movie title in the ascending order. Let me submit the program. So yeah, the test case is passed, and I'll just show you the program output. So first is Dangal, which has 4.67 rating. And you can see here, two movies, Bahubali and Interstellar, has 3.67 rating, the same rating. Now, why is Bahubali coming first? This is because of this line of the query. Because we are arranging it in the ascending order of the title. So this comes first. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.